In this video lecture, we will discuss how a WordPress theme is selected. Your theme is not that important when you are just getting started. Your solo focus should be creating content and getting it out there for people to see. Don't worry about your site design too much until you have a sizable audience to tell you whether or not like it. By default, you will see the yearly WordPress theme active on your website. Automatic. The folks behind WordPress release a new one each year and each one is geared towards bloggers. Each year, this new theme is typically more than suitable for those just getting started with WordPress to start a blog. But at some point, you will probably want to switch to a theme with more features for your growing website. Making the switch is easy. All you have to do is install a new theme. Just navigate to Appearance Theme. Add new via your sidebar. Click on the button to upload your theme. Then select your theme zip file to upload. Install the theme and then activate it. You just install a lovely premium theme with more features and options that you will get in a free theme. Although there are plenty of free and premium themes to pick and choose from, you rarely cannot be beat the quality of the themes made here at WP Explorer. Here we are few of us favorites. Cheese theme. Cheese is a lovely and elegant blogging theme with full WooCommerce support. This means that it will easy to write about your favorite topics and just as easy to sell your own goods. The next is Zero Free Blogging WordPress theme. Zero is a clean and minimal blogging option with a simple left sidebar navigation. Great for personal or photography blogs. Zero has everything you need without being bloated. Plus, it's free, so what's not to love? Misa Free Masonry Blog WordPress theme. Misa is a stylish and free Masonry style WordPress blog theme that is great for personal or professional bloggers. This theme supports tons of post formats and include useful customizer option to help get you going. Total drag and drop ultimate multi-purpose and blogging WordPress theme. Lastly, how could we not mention Total? The Total theme is just that, a total saturation for any type of website easily with you want to start a blog with an advanced drag and drop page builder, ultimated color options, custom Google fonts, built-in portfolios and galleries, premium sliders, video and audio post formats, header builder, custom widget and more. Total can easily be customized. Start a personal blog, manager a corporate website, post your blogs, share recipes and more. This is nothing Total cannot do. But these are just some of our favorite that will make it easy for you to start a blog. Now that you have got your theme selected, it's time to look into choose some plugins. And the next step is install recommended plugin. If themes are the first assembling block of new blogger, then plugins has to take second place. It is all too easy to spend hours installing a number of plugins before you actually get anything done is in terms of content creation. It is huge time suck. In reality, you do not need any plugins to get started as a blogger. WordPress is well equipped out of the box. However, there are some plugins that I would recommend you install and activate in order to get the most out of your blog. Each of these plugins is free and can be installed by navigating to plugin add new via your sidebar. Then either use the search box to browse for a free plugin in the repository. While you have found the plugin you want, click on the install now link. Once the plugin has been installed, you will be given an option to active your new plugin. That is it. The plugin is now installed and activated. Setup for each of these recommended plugins should be pretty straightforward, but if you have any simple question, you can ask in the comment section below. Our website or visit the plugin page and wordpress.org to open a support topic. For spam protection, try Accessment. Comment spam can be a huge problem later on if you don't set up a roadblock or two to stop spammers. The number one plugin for this is WordPress is Accessment, and while there are other spam plugins available, we think it is the best spam protection plugin for WordPress. Akismet is fairly simple to use. Just install, activate and select a strictness level. After that, Akismet will scan your comment and automatically move suspicious comment to your spam folder. All you have to do is remember to empty it. To add social sharing, consider add this. You want people to share your content, right? So if your theme does not already support social sharing, you have going to need to install a plugin for this. A good free option is add this. This free social sharing plugins add options for 200 plus social networks, tons of buttons, styles and lots of locations, strict sidebar, header, widget and content etc, all for free. If you want to see your analytics or have more advanced sharing option, you will need a premium at this account, but for most blogger, just the plugin offers plenty. Optimize your SEO with Yoast. Search engine optimization or SEO for short is an essential aspect for any website, but become a SEO expert that takes years, and even then you need to keep learning. This is why plugins like Yoast SEO are an important add-on for WordPress users. We like Yoast SEO because it includes basic SEO options for breadcrumbs, titles, experts, keyword optimizations and more. Add Google Analytics with Monster Insight. A great way to see how your site is performing is the track visit to your site via Google Analytics. Check out our guide on how to set up analytics for your website. The link is put in the description. But once you have created an account and added your tracking code to your website, you can start monitoring your website. You can of course manually check your Google Analytics account each day, but WordPress being the flexible CMS that it is offer tons of easy to use plugins that integrate your analytics into your WordPress dashboard. We recommended Monster Insight since it works well with Yoast SEO. This way you can combine your SEO strategy with your SEO monitoring for each better result. Maintain WordPress backups with Wordpress. It's always a good idea to plan for the worst, and one of the best fail safe when you start a blog with WordPress is taking regular backups. WordPress is a free plugin, but it does require a premium membership for you to be able to create and maintain complete site backups. It is a part of Jetpack premium plans, which start at least $3.50 per month, which is a very low price to have complete peace of mind that your website has a plan B. If you don't want to use a plugin for backups, no problem. There are a free different free methods you can use to back up WordPress via your hosting plan or manually instead.